Mechanics absolutely hate when drivers figure out this simple trick because it solves 97% of car issues for $0. No tools, no parts, and definitely no $600 dealership visit. Once you know this, you'll never see a check engine light, rough idle, or strange shifting the same way again. Dealerships are praying you never figure this out, because if you do, you'll stop handing over your money every time a warning light shows up. Your car is basically a rolling computer that can glitch just like your phone, and I'm about to show you how to reboot it. Reset trick number 1, the nuclear battery disconnect. Here's the most powerful reset that fixes almost everything. Turn off the ignition and remove the key. Disconnect the battery's negative terminal, then press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds to drain stored power. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect the battery. You might lose radio presets, but your car's computer completely reboots. It clears old sensor data, resets idle settings, and erases adaptive transmission memory. This is perfect after installing new sensors or troubleshooting weird issues. Reset trick number 2, the window. Auto calibration fix. If your power windows stop rolling up automatically or ignore one-touch commands, this simple reset saves you hundreds. Turn the ignition on, roll the window down, and hold the switch for 5 seconds after it's fully open. Roll it back up and hold the switch for 5 seconds once fully closed, then test the one-touch function. This tells the window control module where the fully open and closed positions are. It usually happens after battery replacement and can save you from replacing a perfectly good motor. Reset trick number 3, the secret pedal dance. This hidden reset that most drivers overlook is called the pedal dance, and it works on almost any vehicle. Turn the key to on with engine off. Wait 3 seconds. Press and release the gas pedal 5 times within 5 seconds, then wait 7 seconds. Press and hold the gas pedal for 15 seconds, then start the engine and let it idle. This resets the throttle body, clears stored transmission logic, and restores smooth acceleration. It's effective on Nissan, Toyota, GM, and BMW vehicles. Reset trick number 4, the precision fuse reset. Don't want to wipe everything out? Use your fuse box for surgical precision. Most cars have fuses labeled for specific modules like ECU, PCM, TCM, BCM, or infotainment systems. Simply pull the fuse connected to the system acting up, wait 10 minutes, then plug it back in. For example, removing the TCM fuse after transmission service on a Nissan makes shifting feel smooth again. It's fast, effective, and doesn't mess with other settings. Reset trick number 5, the $20 power tool. A basic OBD2 scanner from Amazon gives you real power for $20. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port, scan for errors, and clear them out. It fixes check engine lights after bad gas, loose fuel caps, random misfires, or oxygen sensor glitches. Use the live data feature to monitor fuel trims, RPMs, and sensor outputs in real time to confirm your reset actually worked. Reset trick number 6, the HVAC blend. Door revival press and hold the recirculate and rear defrost buttons together for 10 seconds with ignition on. This resets blend door actuators that control hot and cold airflow. When these get confused, you end up with scorching heat when you want AC or freezing cold when you need warmth. This simple button combination recalibrates the system and saves you from expensive actuator replacement. Reset trick number 7, the steering angle sensor fix. Turn the wheel fully left, then fully right, center it perfectly, and drive straight for about a mile. This resets the steering angle sensor that controls stability systems and can prevent annoying warning lights. After wheel alignments or suspension work, this sensor often gets confused about where straight actually is. This simple procedure teaches it the new center position. Reset trick number 8, the transmission memory wipe. Turn the key to on, press the gas pedal all the way down for 10 seconds, then turn the key off. Release the pedal, wait 2 minutes, then start the car. This clears adaptive transmission memory that learns your driving habits. When transmissions get confused or start shifting harshly, this reset gives them a clean slate to relearn proper shift points for your driving style. Reset trick number 9, the TPMS quick fix. Inflate all tires to proper pressure, turn ignition on, then hold the TPMS button until the light blinks 3 times. Take a short drive to complete the reset. This clears tire pressure monitoring system errors that often trigger after tire rotations, seasonal changes, or simply filling tires. It prevents unnecessary trips to shops that charge $50 for this 5-minute procedure. Reset trick number 10, the infotainment system. Reboot, go into settings, then system, then factory reset to clear weird Bluetooth or navigation bugs. Modern infotainment systems are basically tablets that can freeze, glitch, or forget paired devices. This reset clears corrupted data and restores normal function. You'll need to repair phones and reset preferences, but it beats replacing expensive head units. Comment never again if you're done getting fooled by expensive repairs. Reset trick number 11, the complete nuclear option. For stubborn issues, do a full battery disconnect and pull fuses for PCM and TCM. Wait 30 minutes, reconnect everything, then follow with an idle relearn. Start the car and let it idle for 5 minutes with AC off, then with AC on. Take a gentle drive afterward. This full reset combo fixes limp mode in Hyundai, VW, and Ford vehicles by clearing stuck modules and teaching proper operation. Here's what mechanics don't want you to know. Most issues don't come from failing parts. They come from bad signals.
What?
A sensor sending wrong information, weak battery causing voltage spikes, or your car just getting confused. That harsh downshift could be your TCM trying to fix a problem that's already gone. That rough idle might be your ECU relying on outdated fuel trim data from months ago. A reset clears all that junk out and gives your car a clean slate to relearn what normal operation feels like. It's like rebooting your car's brain, and just like that, you fix issues without replacing a single part. Remember, after any major reset, always follow up with an idle relearn. If you don't, you could end up with stalling, hesitation, or inconsistent RPMs. Pro tip, keep a reset log, mark down the date, what you reset, and the symptoms. It'll help you spot patterns, fix issues faster, and can even increase your car's resale value. If a problem vanishes after a reset, it was probably just a glitch. But if it comes back, now you know it's something real worth fixing. That's exactly how professionals troubleshoot without burning money on expensive parts. Now you know the reset tricks mechanics hoped you'd never learn. You're not just behind the wheel anymore. You're in complete control. Which reset trick shocked you the most? Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going to try first. If this video just saved you from expensive shop visits, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider automotive secrets. Bet you can't guess which trick saves the most money? Drop your guess.